What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to do one of my favorite types of videos to do on this channel, and that is unboxing another part for this Platinum Tundra. Now the box is very large, so we got to go to the back of the truck to the tailgate to open it, and then we will come back inside the cab and I will talk to you guys about pricing, part number, and all the other stuff, and when we will install. So let's get out there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a bed extender. Now, if you're a CrewMax owner, this could be something that you're really interested in, because obviously with Tundras, the CrewMax only comes with the 5.5-foot bed, which annoys a lot of people. Now, this extends your bed out quite a bit, and if you want to put some stuff in here, you know, especially things like plywood, kayaks, longer things, this is going to be perfect for you. So that is what we have for the Platinum Tundra. Now, I'm not sure if this is true or not, but the old bed extender for the Tundra actually came out more in this direction instead of cone-shaped like this. And I read somewhere that they did that because there's a regulation that it can't block the taillights. And when it was coming out too far, it had the potential of blocking the brake lights on either side, which is why you see all of them in this design today. Once again, not sure if that's true, but I read that in a couple different places. Okay, the bed extender comes with a little bit of hardware. It comes with the 2 fasteners that go on each side of your bed, a couple screws, and some instructions on how to clean it and how to fold it inside and outside onto the tailgate. That's it. Okay, so the main reason for getting this is one of those items that a lot of people asked me to get to see if it was worth it. So right now, and I will also put this in the description below, I will give you the part number and price. It is part number PT392-34145. And the price is $252. It is obviously made of metal. It's not cheap plastic or anything like that. I got mine on Sparks Parts, and if you're new to the channel, which we have seen a lot of new people lately, I have a promo code at sparksparts.com where you can find all your Toyota, TRD, and Tundra aftermarket parts. That promo code saves you 5% and is TundraDude34. So all you got to do is put that in at checkout and it'll save you a little cashola. But this looks like an item we are going to be installing tomorrow or Sunday, weather permitting. The weather is crazy today, tomorrow, and Sunday, so I'll try to get it in before anything crazy happens with the weather. But we will be installing this. I'll show you how to do it. It seems like it's going to be really easy, really quick. Although I probably just jinxed myself, but we'll find out tomorrow. So come on back. Let me know if you have any comments below. Are you someone that feels the need for a bed extender, or do you just rather get yourself a double cab for that 6.5-foot bed? Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34 at gmail.com. You guys have a great day.